Forgotten username recovery failed on Trading App Fix. If you've struggled to recover your trading username, most people get this wrong by skipping verification or using outdated emails. The surprising truth is that you can recover your username faster than you think with the right steps. Step 1. Open the Trading app and select Forgot Username. Enter the email linked to your account. Trading will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk and promotions. Recovery emails are often filtered automatically, and repeated attempts in a short time may temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather verification details such as your full name, date of birth, and recent account activity. Contact Trading support directly and provide this information, including link bank or brokerage details, can speed up verification and restore access quickly. Step 4. Once your username is recovered, store it securely in a password manager. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security and helps prevent future login issues. Following these steps ensures you regain access efficiently while keeping your trading account safe. Proper verification and careful credential management are key to protecting your investments.